Hello class 5. Okay, welcome back to your English language class. So today we will learn about some points that we have to remember when we are doing with the possessive case. Okay, in the previous class I have already explained what do you mean by possessive noun. This is the possessive noun case. Okay, so this one we have discussed in the previous class. Now open your book at page number 17. This is page number 17. We will discuss this poem's few rules which is very important for us to know when we learn about the possessive case. So open your book at page number 17. Are you all ready? Yes. Take out your book. Open your book at page number 17 and then take a pencil in your hand. Okay, children. Go on underlining the important thing that I will tell you. Now, what are the things that you have to remember when you will study or you will learn about, you will do any exercise on this possessive case. Okay, the first point that we will learn is the first one is we use apostrophe s with singular noun that I have already given you one example. We use apostrophe s with singular noun like Ravi. Ravi is a name of a boy, one boy. So when I talk about Ravi's pen or pencil, I will put apostrophe and then s. Clear? This is in case of singular noun. Now suppose if a noun is singular but it ends with s, then we will follow the same rule. Clear? Now see number 2 point. Suppose princess. P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S. It is ending with s but princess is singular in number. Then what we will do, how we will write the possessive the possessive case for this princess. Here the same rule we will follow. We will give an apostrophe, then we will put is. Clear? Now in case of plurals, what we will do? See, if the noun is plural, suppose the sentence is Sweta goes to a girls' school. The school belongs to girls. Now girls is what? Already plural in number. G-I-R-L-S. This is plural. Then what we will do? Shall we write like this? No, we will not write like this. Now what is the rule? How to do? As it is ending with the letter S and it is plural in number, what we will do? After S we will give an apostrophe. Okay. This is a boys hostel. If I say this is a boys hostel, then B-O-Y-S. Then after S I will give the apostrophe. This is the rule you have to keep in your mind. Okay, children. Now come to the next. Suppose parents, today is my parents' 25th anniversary. Parents already starts with, ends with S. Then after parents, you will give an apostrophe to show the belongingness. Okay. Now, in plural noun that do not end with S, and there are some plural nouns that do not end with S. Can you give me an example? A plural in noun but they do not end with S. Suppose children. Children. This is C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. This is plural in number but it is not ending with S. Then what we will do? Same rule we will follow that we follow for singular case. We will give apostrophe, then I will put an S. Okay. So this is children's dress. Suppose children's dress. Children's day. Okay. Now same here, these are few of the points that you have to remember when you will do the possessive case, noun possessive case. So first one is when it is singular in number, noun is singular in number, we will put apostrophe s. Then if this noun that is singular in number and still it ends with s, then also we will give apostrophe and s. But in plural, if the noun is plural, it ends with s, then after s we will put apostrophe, And the next one is the noun that is plural in number but doesn't end with s, then we will give apostrophe and s. These are some rules that you have to keep in your mind when you will do the exercises. Okay, so in the next class we will do exercise C of this book, and children, please go through this chapter nicely. Thank you.